Most people get this wrong when money gets tight as a single mom. They think they need to borrow from friends, use high-interest credit cards, or wait until payday while bills pile up. Here's the truth no one tells you. There are cash advance apps designed to help with short-term gaps, but only if you know which ones actually work and how to use them safely. Quick promise. In this video you'll learn the best cash advance apps for single moms in 2026, how they work with low or irregular income, and how to avoid common mistakes that lead to more financial stress. Let's start with the basics. Cash advance apps give you early access to money you're expected to receive, usually from a paycheck or regular deposit. Think of it like a small financial cushion. Not a loan from a bank. Not a credit card trap. Just temporary support for real-life emergencies. Now here's where most people struggle. They assume every app is easy to qualify for, even without steady income. But most apps still need some proof of regular deposits even if they are small. Let's go through the most helpful apps for single moms in 2026. First is Earnin. This app is popular because it lets you access money you've already earned before payday. So if Sarah works part-time while raising her kids, Earnin can allow her to withdraw a portion of her earned wages early. The key is having a linked bank account with income deposits. Next is Dave. Dave is very beginner-friendly and helps with small cash advances and overdraft protection. It is especially useful for covering groceries, utility bills, or school expenses when timing is tight. But here's the catch. The advance amounts are usually small, so it's best for short gaps, not large bills. Now here's where it gets interesting. Bridget is another strong option because it actively monitors your account balance and offers advances when you're about to run low. So if Maria is managing childcare costs and suddenly faces a low balance, Bridget can step in automatically. Another option is MoneyLion. It offers cash advances along with budgeting tools and even credit building features. This makes it more than just emergency cash. It can actually help improve financial stability over time. But here's the problem. If you rely on these apps every week, you can end up stuck in a cycle where you are always borrowing from your next paycheck. That creates long-term stress instead of solving it. So, here is how to use them wisely. Only use cash advances for true emergencies like utility bills, groceries, or urgent expenses. Always check repayment timing before accepting funds. And try to build even a small emergency buffer when possible. To wrap it up, the best cash advance apps for single moms in 2026 include Earnin, Dave, Bridget, and MoneyLion. Each one can help during tough moments, but they work best as backup tools, not regular income solutions. If this helped you understand your options better, hit like, leave a comment, and subscribe for more simple money tips that actually make life easier.